Everyone, it's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking. Today I'm just going to show you how I store ground beef when it's on sale. When it's on sale for like $2.99 or less a pound, that's for the 80-20, I just buy a bunch of it and then I'll show you how I store. What I do, I take the package and then I put it into Ziploc bags. Do you all see this? Ziploc bags. And how I weigh them out, because Michael and I do use about a pound of ground beef, and I think you'll see that this is, I don't know if you can see it, but this particular scale I absolutely love and I use. This is a digital scale, and what I do, it has the tare feature. And what the tare feature does is you can take this, a bag, and I can't see this thing, and put it on here and weigh the bag and then hit tare, and it automatically brings it down to 0. So when you are actually putting your ground beef on here, you can see this is just under a pound. It's 15.87 ounces. And I do this and I put them all in bags, in 1 pound bags. Here is the trick too. You see how I have this? I have it flat. It defrosts in no time. Or you can just run it under some cold water. I love, love, love that. So that's a tip from Linda Medeiros. What's Linda cooking? What are your tips? I'd love to hear them. Bye for now. And my phone's ringing. Bye for now.